So let me explain. This video is about my Ryobi mower 40 volt that I've had for a while. It's also about the 40 volt weed whacker, and it's also about the 40 volt blower. But this is also about the camera that I was using. The neck mount, I picked up this Teleson neck mount. I wanted to change. My GoPro quit working, so I'm not using the chest mount that came with the GoPro. I am using a neck mount. I wanted to test that out for a vibration and how stability and how it came out. And I'm also using this Insta360 X4 Air. Changed the format from a GoPro camera that is handy to a Insta X4 Air. Now the thing about this is when it's standing vertical mode, it has a pendulum effect and it wants to bounce. Even though the stability compensates for it, it does a lot of bouncing. So I'm using this cage on the X4 Air, and it gives me a horizontal mount. So I can mount this down low. So my lighting is a little bit off here. So let me see if I can get it better. Okay. So being mounted horizontally, it gives it a low center of gravity. And that is what I was testing while I was mowing the lawn and doing my typical yard work that I have to do, is testing this neck mount from Teleson that has a nice wide area back here. And I have to say it was very comfortable. The only thing I don't like is the Velcro strap and not being elastic. So the neck mount did its job, the strap did its job, and the Insta360 X4 Air did its job. And I think you'll find that the footage looks good, it looks stable, and that's what this is all about. It's all about Ryobi, but it's also about cameras, neck straps, neck mounts, and Insta360 X4 Air, filling in for a GoPro. Because the GoPro is gone, and now I'm using this. Different camera, different setup, different way to look at things, and the audio was coming from the Insta360 Air. I grabbed the wrong microphone. I grabbed the DJI Mic Mini that goes with my other camera instead of grabbing the Insta360 Air microphone. So all audio came from this camera. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're here for the lawnmower and the tools, see how good they work, go ahead and do that. If you're here for the camera to see how stable it is and how the image looks, you're welcome here for both. Enjoy. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Please hit like and subscribe. Today we're mowing the lawn with the Ryobi, getting the job done. Ryobi always gets the job done for me. Been working for years. Let's get to it right now. And what are we looking at here? I think they should be, that one's not full. So let's take this one out and put it on the charger. And we will hit AC later. This one is fully charged. Yep, fully charged. Okay, so I say Ryobi, however you like it. I like Ryobi. So we'll keep that one short. Okay, 40 volt blower. I've had this for years, along with that weed whacker. There you have it, guys. The Ryobi gets the job done. It's still getting the job done several years later. I like it. It works great. Choose wisely when you choose your tools so that they work a long time for you. So what can I say? Your mileage may vary, but I want to thank you for stopping by the channel. Please hit like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.